Hello, my name's Peter and I'm just recording this quick video that hopefully helps somebody. I bought a lock, a sliding window plunger latch, it's called, that looks like this. Got a couple of them Amherst Supply earlier today. Did not know how to install them. I knew there was an issue with my door because I could not slide it up and down anymore. And that's essentially this here. It was stuck halfway and I could not figure out how to fix it. I tried looking up videos and whatever, I couldn't find anything. That would not stay like that. There was only one that was working when I moved into this house, and yesterday all of them broke. So essentially I bought the replacement parts. I could not figure out how to fix them. So right now I just wanted to show you very quickly how to fix it. So this is the part, and this is essentially how it needs to be assembled. You see here that I have this on the bottom. I have removed the window, and I'll show that to you in a moment. I have here, the spring goes in the inside here, depending on the side, one side or the other. And essentially, this small piece here, which has a sort of little pin there that goes into the spring, which goes onto this side, it fits into the hole here so that you're able to then push that in. And I will show you that assembled in a moment. All right, the first thing you do is you slide this in straight, like so it's able to move along easily. You then take it part way out. You place the pin that I was talking to you about. You place that on the inside here, like so. Okay, then you take the spring, you put that on the end there. You slide that in. It goes in like so. And at that point, you're then able to push that along so that that section there, that pin, that top of this piece, essentially fit right into that hole there. And that's how it stays in position, so that the rest of the latch will then move along like this, and that's how it works. I didn't realize this hole was here. I had to kind of play around with it to figure it out because I could not find any other videos or anything about how this works. Afterwards, this is upside down, the window right now, so that I could do this easily without it just falling out. And that essentially gives you exactly like this, so that it will go up and down without an issue. That's all. Hopefully this helps somebody. That's why I made this quick video. Thank you. Take care. God bless.